Hello, my name is Aiden, and this is my Pi game project. So, my idea. So, this project started out with a character moving around in a box, and then I added a DDD picture. Don't ask me why. And the DDD picture would chase the player sprite around, which happened to be a Kirby at the time. And then I made it so additional DDDs were spawning, but then that added up too fast to make the game pretty much impossible to survive in. Then I implemented the feature where everybody can shoot the enemies, and then it turned up to a survival-ish game where you shoot the enemies, and yeah, so that's what the idea came up. So what did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about sprites and projectile firing to use in the project. First thing is sprites, and sprites are used in thing to control the player. It's also all the other things that give them the movement. And the second thing I learned is the projectile system. So the system first calculates the distance and then the direction before releasing the bullet. For an example, so the one on the left is the picture of the player's sprite. It's called surface. And also the update system that allows it to move. And on the right is the projectile system, so times dx dy uses that to calculate the distance, and then the direction, and yeah, the demo stuff. So on my game, there's like you move around, and then those enemies chase you, and there's this level up system that's in the console. So here I can comment, I can increase speed or efficiency or armor, so that doubles your shield. And then uncommon choices, it's a 1 in 3 chance that an uncommon choice appears, and one of them just is speed plus, it's the second tier of the normal speed upgrade. So I think I'm gonna go with the tier 2 speed upgrade. So here now you can notice the player is way faster, and yeah. So now I can level up again. So it takes 10 score, then 20 score, then 40 score, then 80 score, and so on. So this time, I can get health plus, which is gonna triple my shield. So I'll do that. So here, now I'm just moving on, and now I can get triple my shield, which stacks upon the previous one. But I think I'm gonna go with efficiency. So right now I'm at 4 ammo, and when I get one, I'm at 6.5 instead of 5. So that's ammo. And when you win, the thing gets really big. And when you hit the score of 75, you can see it up in the top left corner, you win the game. And so essentially that's my game. This was reduced, the top score you need to win was reduced from 300 to 50 for this demonstration. So yeah. So you see, and then win. So yeah. So that was the demo. My favorite part of the working game was implementing the upgrade system, because first I added the difficulty scaling factor to make the game harder over time. So the upgrade system balances out the game and makes it more fair to the player. Yeah, how to improve my project. So if I were to continue working on this project, I make a level up system on the game like a visual effect, and just not in the console. And the second thing I would do was add sound effects for different actions like shooting. And if you notice, in the text it's rounded and doesn't fit in the pixelated theme of the rest of the game. So I would change the text font. Thank you for listening.